Meaning of head.
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 Head. Head has several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to the upper part of the body, the top or front part of something, a person in charge or a leader, or the front of a queue or line. In computing, it can also refer to the beginning of a file or document. Overall, head generally refers to the forefront or leading position of something. It denotes importance, hierarchy, and priority. Whether it is the head of a company, the head of a department, or the head of a line, this term often signifies a position of authority or precedence.